Well, now that there's no plea deal with Jessica Kelly, she does not have to help prosecutors. That means she doesn't have to testify against other suspects in this case, including Fabian Gonzalez, or help investigators find out who that male DNA found all over Victoria belongs to. In shackles, Jessica Kelly hobbled into court, taking a seat in front of the judge. A hearing that lasted all of 6 minutes, with the judge telling the state for the second time he would not accept a plea deal with Jessica Kelly.
Therefore, the state's motion to reconsider is denied. Thank you very much.
When an assistant district attorney tried to speak up, the judge shut her down.
May I make a brief record, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
May I make a record, Your Honor?
Nope.
Right after the hearing, I sat down with District Attorney Raul Torres, who says offering a plea deal with Jessica Kelly is not something he wanted to do.
Look, making those kinds of deals is the worst part about this job.
But he says she is the one person who can help identify the man whose DNA was found on Victoria Martin's body. For months, prosecutors have been telling us there's been ongoing DNA testing. Today, Torres said more DNA test results are in. Male DNA found on the 10-year-old little girl.
Not just on her back, but all over her body, including under both, on fingernails of both hands, not just one hand, as well as the presence of male DNA around her neck.
Victoria, he said, was raped and strangled. Now, though, with no plea deal on the table for Kelly, she doesn't have to help prosecutors identify who that DNA belongs to. So the state will move forward, taking her to trial. All right, I asked the district attorney if he plans on trying to take this case in front of another judge. He said no. But he said he was very frustrated that prosecutors were not allowed to be heard today at all. The other suspect in this case, Fabian Gonzalez, is scheduled to go on trial in just a few weeks. He is charged with child abuse resulting in death and tampering with evidence, including helping Jessica Kelly remove Victoria's body parts. Back to you.